Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this is a 1-2, and I still think we're in a wave 3. I still don't even believe the wave 3 is over. I still think it possibly could even extend all the way to the 223 Fibonacci extension, which puts us all the way up to about the 168, maybe even a little higher than that, just to finish off a wave 3. Then eventually it should go down, make a wave 4, and then back up for a wave 5. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we're definitely still going up, and we definitely still looking like a trend. I do think it is going to take out this high, and I also think that it needs to bounce off a fib level. The fact that I think it needs to take out this high tells me that this is probably not the fib level it's going to respect. I would say that this 223 up here is probably the most likely area for this to end this current uptrend. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely a little bit of an odd pattern right here. I mean, it is definitely three waves down, but really it's a rejection of structure. And looking at all yen pairs, I mean, most of them look like they still need to keep on going up. We are at the 78.6, so maybe this will be an area of resistance. But for me personally, I definitely am looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, at least until I see some evidence on the daily, weekly, and monthly that this thing is not going up anymore, which I definitely do not see any evidence of that yet. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, I think it's very clearly that this is a 1-2 and that we're currently in a wave 3. Until we actually get a bigger structure to the downside, I think we're still in a wave 3, and I would definitely be doing nothing but except for looking for longs at the end of every single pullback that I see, especially pullbacks that are seen on the shorter time frames. So going right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, until we break like a 4 hour structure to the downside, which the last one is way down here, I personally would be doing nothing but looking for longs. At this point, I wouldn't try to go long now. I would have to see a pullback to go long. But if I do see a pullback, especially if it makes like a traditional A, B, C, and then it bounces off like a Fibonacci retracement, makes a big bullish engulfing move to the upside, then that would be my next entry to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. I would definitely continue to look for longs at least until the 4 hour time frame structure is broken to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.